cards out like this, and I just don't spread the very top. And I make a little joke where I go, "Thank you very much." And everybody laughs, but the truth is the best humor in magic is always purposeful. There's a reason behind it. And here, the reason is to cover those face-down cards. So that now, this is cool. Do you guys know the Tenkai Optical Revolve? This move here? No. You just do this. Usually you've got a card reversed on the bottom. Any kind of Triumph uses it. It's from Tenkai. It's from Tarbell 3. You do that. And then you secretly turn the deck over. Basically, you've turned both sides over, but you just do that. But this is an even cooler one because if you have this cover card on it, now you can show everything. You give the cards a halo cut, which is a bottom slip cut. And now when you turn over, you have a really convincing illusion that you just turned half over. So here's a beautiful subtlety from Babel. Remember, this is the situation, right? All the cards are up except these 4 face down. Look how sweet this is. This is the kind of stuff you just live for in magic. I do this. Isn't that cool? I love that. I learned that in France years ago. I just think it's the most clever thing. So on the right side, you have to grab, because there's only 4 face down, you grab 3. And on the left side, you grab about half. And if you dribble them at the same time, it really looks like you have face down and face up. So now you shuffle, leaving those face down cards uppermost. And look, you're done. You have these face down and the rest of the deck face up. So here's how you reveal it. This is a Tom Gagnon move. It's a bottom deal, but don't let that scare you. It's a bottom deal from the top. So it's crazy. Here's what it is. You grab the cards from above, and with your index finger, you're going to separate just the top card and let it come out. Okay? Now, this on its own is only so-so. So that's the idea. And it was meant, the way Tom used it when he came up with it, is just to cut the aces out, which is a really nice ace production. I mean, sometimes I'll call the aces and just say, we need the 4 aces. And people are like, what? You know, because you just do it so quick. So they're face down on top, so all you do is you just cut. But this doesn't look all that great. You need the other hand to be confusing the issue like this. So this hand is just doing this, just changing the amount of cards. So when you put them together, okay. So, and you can use this, I've used this as a force, where you can just say, go ahead and say stop, great, and write your name on that card. You can do that for a lot of different things, but here's the best way I've come up with. So you say, look, thank you very much, and you just showed both sides of the card. That's the subtle part, even though it's funny. Now you do the halo cut, Tenkai Optical Revolve, you do this part, give the cards a shuffle. Now you do 3 of those things I showed you, and look at this. I discovered if you do that normal cutting sequence, but you've got the cards face up and face down, look how it looks like. They see faces, they see backs. Yeah. Isn't that cool? So I cut 3 of them out, and the last one takes care of itself because you just left one in the deck, and that's the last one to give you the last ace. All right, the oil and water is